Hi everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning and thanks for joining us in today's video. So why is Alfresco the best window cleaning service here in Abingdon? Well, we started business 27 years ago, so obviously we've got lots of experience, and quite honestly we've also seen lots of methods come and go. So the most important thing about our window cleaning service here in Abingdon is that we were one of the first people to use the over-the-tops reach and wash system. So what is reach and wash? So we use purified deionized water that we produce here at our office at Kingston Bagviews Business Park. That comes out to the site in the van, and then we use that with a carbon fibre telescopic pole to get up to wash your windows and rinse it with that pure water. So the reason why there's advantages over reach and wash as against to the traditional methods is that if you've got a window over top of a conservatory or over a flat roof, then we don't need to actually climb up there. We can actually reach it from the safety of the ground, which means that we don't generally need ladders. The method of using the reach and wash system is actually environmentally friendly because you're actually using purified water, as opposed to traditional window cleaning that often uses harsher chemicals. We actually use the reverse osmosis system here at Alfresco to make sure that we produce our pure water to a very high grade. And by doing this, there's actually no chemicals to be left on the glass, which then the dirt and grime can actually stick to between cleans. We recommend a 6-weekly window clean here at Alfresco. As a business owner, I wanted the very best results for you as a customer, but also the highest safety standards for my staff, which is why Alfresco Exterior Cleaning here in Oxfordshire used the van-mounted reach and wash systems to make sure that we actually have safe systems, van-mounted, give you clean windows in complete safety. If you've got any more questions about Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, our window cleaning service, or any of the other services that we offer here in Oxfordshire, why don't you give us a call on 0333 567 2727, or if you like, you can pop to our website alfrescoec.co.uk, pop on the banner at the top, look for exterior window cleaning prices, and you can actually then find out how much it will cost you to become one of our customers on our regular 6-weekly service. Thanks for watching again.